Hey you guys, it's me Key back with another video, and this video is going to be a little bit different. I am actually doing my own hair this time. So as you can see, I now have locks. These locks were handmade by me, installed by me, and colored by me. And if you're interested in buying some of these locks, my website will be in the description below. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching this video, and I will be posting updates after I get, my first retwisting style and all that good stuff. What it do, you guys? This is Key back with another video. I am doing these lock extensions. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. So I just got done cutting my hair. I had to cut all the straight parts off, which was probably about 4 inches, 3 inches, not that much. I still got a little hang time, not much, but I will be back. Gotta part my hair out, braid it or clip it to separate everything, and it's about to get worse. You think I look bad now? It's about to get worse. And I'm not gonna have a filter. It's about to get worse. I told y'all I was gonna come back looking crazier. So looks like these things grew right out of my scalp. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Y'all order your lock extensions from me, and matter of fact, travel to Augusta or Atlanta to get them put in too. All right, you guys, so I'm over it. I'm about 6 hours in, only halfway done, and I'm over it. I'm gonna throw this up in a ponytail and call it a day, and this is gonna be my extensions for the next. I'm finna put on a scarf, like. Let me give y'all a close-up though. Please plan to be doing this for 10 to 12 to 24 hours. I was taking breaks and I'm cramping, so I really haven't been doing it as fast as I can because I've been like laying in a ball dying. Yeah, I've been laying in a ball dying for hours. I feel better now, so I'm at my salon doing my hair. And I said I'm halfway done. I'm probably not even halfway done, honestly. I have so many of these because my hair is really thick, so I couldn't do my parts super big. Pray for me, y'all. Pause this video and say a prayer for my hands, okay, that I don't get arthritis, because I do other people's extensions, I do my own hair, I do braids, I do weaves, I do locks, and my little sweet hands can't take it. They can't take it. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all halfway update, show you again what it looks like. And this is it from the back. And then I'm doing this on Snapchat because I need the filter, because you see my hair. I need the filter. So it cut off. Again, this is this side. Yeah. I'm gonna love it when it's done. I already know it's worth all the pain that I'm going through. And these lock extensions were made by me and colored by me. And I do sell them on keyslocs.com, which will be in the description box. And I have worldwide shipping, so you can buy them and I will ship them to you anywhere in the world. I've already shipped to all over the country, Australia, Virgin Islands, you name it. So I'm gonna get back to it, and I will see you guys when I'm almost done. I'm gonna finish on camera. All right, you guys, so update. I am here getting help now because I'm over it. Like I said in the last clip, I don't want to do this anymore. I'm this close to shaving my head, so we should be done. I don't know when, but hopefully it won't take us all night because I got something to do. And I'll be back to do the last two on camera so y'all can see how I do it. But I will be having a tutorial video sometime soon on how to actually do lock extensions in depth. It's kind of the same method I used when I did those wicks in my last video. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned for when we're almost done. Say bye to folks. Bye. Okay, you guys, I'm finally back. It is 9:30 at night. And I love it, honestly. I really love how the color came out. I'm gonna show y'all without the filter, okay, so you can see the color. But I really do love it. All right, you guys, so my hair is finished. I love it. I'm super excited. I love the color. I love the size that I chose. I'm gonna go ahead and spin around so you guys can see it. So this is the side, the back. I love it. I really, really love it. And y'all gonna be doing all kind of styles with these, okay? I'm gonna try and really keep these locks this time. This is my 4th set of locks. And I am going to be putting out a video on how specifically to do lock extensions. I know I said I would finish on camera, but I forgot. So yeah, my bad about that, you guys. I was just kind of rushing to get my hair done because I had something to do that night. But yeah, so I just installed the locks. As I installed them, I was retwisting it, so all I had to do was style it. I did the 2-strand twist, which you guys saw in some previous clips. And yeah, I'm really happy with the decision I made. I promise y'all a tutorial coming soon because I do lock extensions all the time. My Instagram for my lock extensions is @KeysLockExtensions, which will be in the description below, where you can purchase these locks because these locks are handmade by me. Here are some of them. You will go on KeysLocks.com, which will also be in the description. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. And y'all make sure y'all keep tuning in because I have new stuff coming. Hey y'all, I just realized while editing the video that I did not mention a couple of important things, which are the size needle I use, which is a 0.75 millimeter needle, the 3-prong needle, because it's just so much faster than using like a 2-prong or a 1-prong. More needles, more hair gets locked at once. Some people, actually a lot of people, prefer the 0.05 millimeter, but it slices my fingers up, so I prefer the 0.75 millimeter needle, and the link for that will also be in the description box below if you want to purchase. And I think that was it. Thank you, everybody. If you made it to the end of this video, I really, really appreciate you. Y'all go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like the video, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. If you're interested in purchasing my locks, hit me up on Instagram. I will answer all of your questions. Yes, these are human hair. They can be colored. They can be curled. You see they're crinkly because I had those twists in and I took them out. But anyway, y'all, man, I appreciate my subscribers. I appreciate everybody that watches my videos. And I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.